What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at another 16-shot 200-gram cake by Cutting Edge Fireworks. This one's called Werewolf. Now, I've never seen this one really in person. I haven't really seen many videos of it. Got it in my core assortment that I got from Cutting Edge, so I'm definitely excited to check it out. Performance got me intrigued, as you might notice here in a second. So we have a multi-shot repeater with 16 shots that shoots aerial effects high into the sky. It begins with red strobe, rising to red, green strobe with crackling, blue strobe with crackling. Nice design on the outside all the way around. Got the wolf howling at the moon, or shall we say werewolf howling at the moon. Take a look at the tubes inside. So, decent 16-shot, 200-gram. Those are probably, what, 3/4? Yeah, probably about 3/4 inch side diameter. Since being cutting edge, hopefully it'll be a pretty decent cake. All I know is always excited when it says crackle anywhere in there, even rising strobe right there. I'm excited to see that as well. So I think we'll just go ahead and jump straight in the demo. We have Cutting Edge Fireworks 16-shot 200-gram cake called Werewolf. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I will see you all this Friday with a demo video.